Are you ready to excel in financial management? Introducing Control Accounts Training at Guardians Training. Our comprehensive program covers recording transactions, reconciliation, and maintaining accurate control account records. Learn fundamentals of control accounts, internal controls, financial reporting, and effective management techniques. Enhance your financial management skills with practical exercises and hands-on real-time data analysis. From corporate banks to healthcare sectors, control account specialists are highly sought after across various industries. Join our control accounts training to become a finance operation cooperator, budget analyst, or financial reporting specialist. Whether you're an accountant, auditor, or finance manager, this course is tailored to enhance your career prospects. Don't miss this opportunity. Enroll now at Guardians Training and take the first step towards mastering financial integrity.